Good morning, Frieda here, Beautiful Skin for Life by Frieda. Today is my webinar 10, and I'm going to talk about antioxidant. I have been talking about microbiome friendly, clean formula and anti-aging ingredient. Today is actually section 2 for anti-aging ingredient. I talked about peptides last week. Today we'll be talking about antioxidant. We're going to talk about brightening complex. We're going to talk about essential nutrient. I'm really very excited. This is a very favorite topic of mine. Antioxidant is not only important for our skin, it's also important for our overall health. So what is antioxidant? It's anti-oxidation. So let me go over some of the terms there so you get a pretty good, so you will get a better understanding of what it is. So let me share the screen with you. So oxidation, you'll notice the apple turn brown, the iron turn rust, prolonged exposure to the air, that is oxidation. And the same thing happen in our body. When there are oxygen involved, there's oxidation occur. So inevitably, we have a lot of oxidation take place. And during the oxidation, the free radical occur. Okay, so when we eat, when we breathe, when we exercise, we produce free radical. Now, free radical actually have a benefit side, which I really did not realize until more recently. They actually is important for the immune system. They float in our blood, in our vein, and scavenge up some of the bad pathogens there to foreign invader there. So they are important for us. But the bad part is it's a free radical. So what is a free radical? So during the oxidation, the byproduct come out is a free radical. And free radical is, if you think about chemical, it's a molecule that has an electron that is missing. Okay, so it is not stable. It's forever looking for electron to steal it, to stabilize it. So when it will attack the healthy cells and steal that electron to stabilize it, and that process causes inflammation, and sometimes could even cause of a mutation, which like cancer occur. So free radical occur during oxidation. There are also environmental aggressor that could cause that when exposed under the sun, the UV radiation, the pollutions, the chemicals that we are exposed to, smoking can promote more production of the free radical. And free radical attacked our body, attack for the skin, attack the collagen, attack the structure of the skin. And when the free radical is overabundant, then when we are not able to keep the balance of it, see, our body also have antioxidant and it will neutralize that free radical. But when we have abundance of free radical and we don't have an antioxidant to neutralize it, that's when oxidative stress occur. And when it occurs, it causes, now we really attribute to a lot of the illness, attribute to the oxidative stress there. Good thing is, as I mentioned, antioxidant is the substance that anti-oxidation. So how it works is antioxidant actually can contribute an electron to the free radical to stabilize it, so prevent it from making the damages. So you can think about antioxidant like Pac-Man, gobble up those free radicals there. And so that's understanding about the free radical. It's inevitably our body produce. It has its place, but the bad thing is when you have too much, it causes so much damage to our body. But antioxidant can come in to rescue. In food-wise, we talk about fruits and vegetables. Colorful fruits and vegetables provide so many of antioxidants there. So what's the benefit of antioxidant for our skin? It helps correct the signs of aging. As I said, it stops the oxidative stress, which break down the collagen. It hinders our skin's natural ability to repair, which is the next one, and it triggers the inflammation. And that caused the lines and wrinkles and blotchy skins there because it breaks down the collagen, attack our outer skin's structure there. Antioxidant will help prevent sunburn. It's anti-inflammatory. It blunts our skin's inflammatory response to the sun's harmful rays. So make our skin more resist to the harmful sun ray there. It also helps our skin to repair itself because it's reducing the inflammation, so allow our skin to repair itself, correct the damages there. And also like vitamin C, vitamin E, they can actually accelerate the skin's healing process there. The antioxidant will help brighten the skin tone because it's reduced the photo damages there. It prevents the abnormal skin pigmentation. And some antioxidant will even work as an inhibitor for an enzyme that will promote the melanin production. It also will help prevent the skin cancer. Some research has shown, such as vitamin A and vitamin C and vitamin E have carcinogenic properties and may help prevent the skin cancer. So their benefits are huge. So what are the antioxidants? There are tons, lots of antioxidants there. Will be hard for me to list all, but I'm going to list some most common one. So one is vitamin C. I think people heard so much about vitamin C because it's very powerful. It boosts collagen production. It's a natural brightener. The thing is, vitamin C tend to be unstable and break down easily, and it loses its potency, efficacy for its resorts. A lot of time you wanted to store them in a darker area away from the sun. And they actually have other kind of vitamin C, other form that was recommended. Vitamin A retinol has been loved by so many people because it speeds up the cell turnover, it boosts collagen production. The concern is it's when you are in the presence of sunlight, it enhances skin cancer lesion by 21%. It has been linked to cancer and other types of reproductive toxicity. It also is a known skin irritant, which I have personally witnessed for that. Also, it always say that when you are pregnant, you don't use it. So why is it okay to use when you are not pregnant? It's actually banned in EU with a certain percentage. The company I represent, Truara, we do not use vitamin A as our antioxidant. There are just so many other antioxidants that provide the effect for gobble up the free radical that we do not have to resort to vitamin A. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, a lot of time being overlooked. They are very powerful antioxidant. They also has the ability to accelerate the skin's healing property. And of course, there's I'm missing a C there, Coenzyme Q10, niacin, which is vitamin B3, Polyphenols, that's another antioxidant, and also Carnosine, which is can slow down the aging of the skin, maintain the wrinkles, and breakdown of the skin elasticity. So a lot of antioxidants can be used in the skincare. and more is actually better, different variety there.